Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make some saltfish fritters. Some saltfish, yeah, so I'm gonna make some fritters guys. So watch how I go on. I go wash off my saltfish and pick it up, make gonna see how I go on guys. So stay tuned, soon come back. Guys, so I go on like this on the saltfish. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some ground season. Guys, stay tuned and watch how I go on in the kitchen. Just watch the video and see what I go on. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna cut up piece of onion and my scallion. Guys, watch about this in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I go on in I base the saltfish and me scallion and my onion. You understand now? I'm going to sprinkle a little black pepper. Yeah guys, little black pepper guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, some saltfish flavors. The flour guys. Guys, I don't put any bag season away from liquor black pepper. Believe that. And remember guys, don't put any salt because the saltfish are being salt. You understand now the yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I will light up the stove and start frying the fritters. You understand how this for go on night plate guys. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned to the finishing look on the saltfish fritters guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I light up the stove. You understand how I need be a badness in the kitchen guys. So I go on over there some yeah. Some bad saltfish fritters in the evening guys, and I like it. Only bad season I put a little black pepper guys, believe that. Guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look on my saltfish fritters guys. Yeah, soon come back. Guys, watch the badness tonight kitchen. So I go on guys, yeah. Guys, be about this. Guys, remember, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell as a video drop guys, you have it. Guys, I be about this in the kitchen. Yeah guys, you see badness all go on in the kitchen. Yeah, the saltfish fritters, so they brown and pretty. Yeah. Guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look. Be about this. Be about this guys, be about this. back off and stove now. Don't know the badness go. Yeah, this is the last one guys, so